Hi students, in this session today we are going to learn about simple trick to find equivalent mass of ions. Here is the formula. You have to remember that equivalent mass of an ion is equal to formula of an ion by charge on the ion. For suppose here is the presence of cation or anion, also you have to apply this formula to find out the equivalent mass of that entire ion. Let us see the example. The first example, find the equivalent mass of carbonate ion. Carbonate ion formula is CO3 2-. According to this formula, first one you have to find out the formula mass of an ion. Here is CO3 -2 is the formula of this ion, and carbon atomic number is 6 and its atomic mass is 12, plus here is oxygen atoms, 3 oxygen atoms into oxygen atomic number is 8, and what is its mass? Oxygen mass is 16, by here is the charge on the ion. Here is the charge only 2. So here 12 plus 48 by 2. Simply 60 by 2 is equal to 30. So the equivalent mass of this carbonate ion is 30 here. Let us see the next example here. Here is find the equivalent mass of NH4 plus ion. This is only ammonium ion. So here also same, you have to apply this same formula mass of an ion. Here is nitrogen and hydrogen. These two elements are presented. So atomic mass of this nitrogen. So this is the atomic number. So atomic mass is 14, plus here how many hydrogen atoms are presented? Only 4 hydrogen atoms. So 4 by here only the charge on the ion, charge only 1. So students, simply you can write this 18 is the equivalent mass of an ion. Let us see the next example now. Find the equivalent mass of hydronium ion. Nothing but H3O plus hydronium ion. Hydrogen and oxygen. Presence of these two elements presented here. You can observe that, and here hydrogens are 3 plus only 1 oxygen. So oxygen means atomic mass is 16 by charge on the ion. Here charge on the ion nothing but 1. So 19. You can say directly the equivalent mass of this hydronium ion is 19. Let us see the next example. Equivalent mass of CH3 plus ion. The name of this cation is carbocation, CH3 plus. Here is the central atom carbon. So if you apply this formula to find out the equivalent mass of this entire ion, formula mass of an ion. So carbon atomic mass is 12, plus here are the hydrogen atoms 3. Simply you can say that here is the charge only 1. So 15 is the equivalent mass of this ion. Okay. Let us see the next example. NO3 minus nitrate ion. Here the central atom is nitrogen, and nitrogen and oxygen, these two atoms are presented here. Then if you apply this formula to this, formula mass of an ion is equal to nitrogen atomic mass is 14, plus here students how many oxygen atoms are presented? 3. 3 into 16. 16 is the atomic mass of this oxygen, by here only minus. So minus, only one minus is there, means you can take here is the number 1. So no need to represent that 1 here. So directly you can take this number 14 plus 48. So that is equal to 62. 62 is the equivalent mass of this nitrate ion. Now we shall go for the next example. The sulfate ion, the formula is SO4 2-. So here is the sulfur. So you can find the formula mass of this ion is sulfur 16 is the atomic number. Here is 32 is its atomic mass, plus 4 oxygen atoms into oxygen atomic mass is 16 according to that atomic number, by here is the charge on the ion. Charge on the ion is 2. Simply you can write like this, students, 32 plus 64. 32 plus 64 by 2, that is, here is a 96 by 2. So simply you can say that 48 is the equivalent mass of this sulfate ion. Okay students, now let us see the last example, then you should get a grip on this topic, trick to find the equivalent mass, how to find the equivalent masses of ions. Next one is perchlorate ion. The formula is ClO4 minus, perchlorate ion. Here is the chlorine and oxygen. So you need to calculate the chemical formula. Mass of an ion means chlorine atomic number 17 as well as the mass number is 35.5, plus here are the oxygens 4, then 4 into 16. 16 is the atomic mass of this oxygen by, so here only 1, so you should ignore this, no need of writing any number here. Then students, 35.5 plus here 4 into 16, that is 64, and 99.5. So approximately you can take that 99 is the equivalent mass of this perchlorate ion. Okay, right, this is about today's session students. If you understand this class, you can subscribe to this channel for my further updates. Here is the class for you. I have explained some just by taking some more examples to find the equivalent mass of ions. Okay students, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.